Good morning. We're headed out to a job right now. Should be a little more of an interesting one. This is for a good customer, an existing customer. It's a chain of schools, and they're very middle to high end type commercial build out. So what we're trying to do is remove the power poles for future workstations. So I think I did a short on one of the ones we did maybe like 6 months ago. But yeah, so it's going to be an interesting one. I think it's a little bit of a drive, but I figured you guys are worth it, man. You know, I'm trying to make sure you guys see some of the cool stuff. I don't know how cool it'll be, but I think it'll be interesting. So I'll let you guys come along, and thanks again for watching. And you know, if you guys appreciate it, go ahead and subscribe and like and everything. So anyway, I'll bring you guys along, and we'll see what happens. All right, it looks like we're here. I'm gonna take this spot. It says reserved, but I think they reserved it for me, maybe.
Right here I'm using my laser measurer that's on my TIG tracer while we're waiting to be let in to get a ceiling height.
And then another 5 feet yet. And that's I think it's either a 14 or 15 foot ladder. All right. So is it these existing power poles here? Yes. Is it these ones here?
So there was actually a little confusion when we first got there. The power poles that I thought we were taking down were the ones we ended up taking down, but the person that let us in thought it was something else.
Yeah. They're all tied into 2 circuits.
I actually didn't have my circuit sniffer with me, the one that I can locate the breaker with, so this is another trick I use to locate a breaker.
Let's go figure out which one that is. What is that? 20. 20? Yeah. I'm sure these two, and then this thing should
Tell if it goes that way or which way it goes.
It actually ended up being pretty tricky trying to figure out how to take apart the bottom half because there was 2 hidden screws.
Don't want to lose those. This one's in a little bit of a spot. That's it.
We're probably going to have to put these back up, so I figured the easiest way was to cut the unistrut and then put a unistrut coupling after we come back.
Got it. I'm going to come down and help you out with it. That blade is sharp. That's an old blade. Wait. Go off.
Oh my god, that was your phone?
Yeah, it fell down, but it's perfect where it is, so don't touch it, and it's still going.
We actually cracked the screen on that phone. It's Antoine's company phone too, so he's not going to be very happy when he gets back. He's been off for a few days. I'm pretty sure it's just a screen protector though.
What it is, yours is in your pocket. Right.
Oh, it is? All right.
Okay, ready?
Hang on 1 second. All right. I will go with like, it's probably going to be close to 20.
1, 2, 3. Going now.
That's it. Here, you got a plug tester? Perfect. All right, so that's 22 and 24. All right.
I had to make little labels here so that we can identify them. They should have been labeled to begin with. Normally in commercial like this, you'd label the circuit numbers.
You want to hand me that sawzall here? Just, well, actually, I might need a couple new wire nuts.
Victor needs to work on his throwing skills. It's definitely not my fault I didn't catch those.
Got it?
Yeah.
These power poles are actually pretty heavy. I don't know what they put in them, lead maybe or something. Usually they're not this bad.
All right. 16 and 8 and 14. So we're just finishing up right now. That's pretty cool. We're gonna have to go back once the flooring has been redone and put in new cubicles and power poles. We might reuse those ones, I'm not sure. We set up to reuse those ones. We made sure we packaged them up nice so that it'll be easy to reuse them if that's what we ended up doing. But thanks for stopping by. Hope this was worth it. You guys got me into a little bit of trouble. I had a couple meetings, but I had to shoot all the way down here, which is a little, like about a 50-minute drive, and I wasn't planning on it, but I saw it and I was like, this is something you guys want to see. So let me know if this was good or not. Thanks for watching. Take care.